A cow is a large domesticated mammal that belongs to the Bovidae family, which includes cattle, buffalo, and bison. Cows are herbivorous animals that typically feed on grasses, hay, and other plant-based foods. They are commonly raised for their meat, milk, and leather. Cows are known for their distinctive appearance, with their large, rounded bodies and their horns, in some breeds. They also have a 4-chambered stomach, which allows them to digest tough plant material more efficiently. Cows are social animals that typically live in herds, and they have been domesticated for thousands of years. They are important to many cultures around the world, and play a significant role in agriculture and food production.